Hello everyone, this is Bornali Kolita, Assistant Professor in the Department of Political Science, Rangya College, Assam. In this video, we will discuss about the health status of the elderly in India and analysis. The issues relating to the population elderly is a widely discussed topic in the contemporary academic arena. The greater advancement in the field of medical sciences as well as upliftment in the healthcare technology has become able to establish its win over various types of diseases. It has resulted in the reduction of mortality rate, leading to the increase of life expectancy all over the world. Increase of life expectancy is considered as a good indicator in case of the development of a country. But it has also an adverse impact upon the demographic structure of that particular nation, because it has tremendously increased the proportion of the elderly population, leading towards the emergence of the phenomenon of aging all over the world. Along with the increased life expectancy, the gradual declination of fertility rate has also contributed towards the phenomenon of aging. The developed countries have already gone through this aging problem. Now it has emerged as a burning problem in case of the developing countries, with no exception of India. It has already been mentioned that the changing demographic pattern of the Indian nation has given rise to the burning problem of aging. At this crucial juncture, the responsibility of the state towards the elderly as well as the responsibility of the society towards the elderly very much increases. In other words, society should play a pivotal role in ensuring the security of the elderly. Over the years, the Indian society is playing its responsibility very carefully through providing respect and care for the elderly population. Throughout the ages, India has been maintaining its idealness before the world community by maintaining the unique characteristic of joint family system, where up to 3 generations live under the same roof. But recently, in the last 2 decades, it has been seen that the changing nature or the transformation of the Indian societal system from the joint family system to the nuclear family has created a new threatening towards the very survival of the elderly. In this regard, globalization, industrialization, urbanization, westernization, development in the educational sector, as well as participation of women in the workforce have broken down the traditional Indian joint family system and have given rise to a nuclear family system where the elderly have to face challenges in their very survival. In the backdrop of the changing demographic pattern as well as the transformation of the Indian societal system, now we have moved forwarded towards the health status of the elderly in India. According to Balamurgan and Ramatirtham, the elderly are the most vulnerable section of the population in the 21st century. Due to their deteriorating physical strength as well as mental stability, they require much more care and support in their old age. But due to the unavailability, inaccessibility, as well as the unaffordability of the public health care services, chronic poverty and malnutrition have become the part and parcel of the daily life of the elderly. So, although majority of the elderly feel that their health condition is good, but the data shows that gradual increase of various major illnesses amongst the elderly have been prevailing in India. Moreover, various kinds of disabilities have disturbed them in the later phase of their life. At this juncture, very low coverage of the health insurance system has made the health condition of the elderly deplorable. It is to be mentioned here that in India, only 2.3% of the total population of the elderly are covered under the public health insurance system. So, accordingly, we can see that the health condition of the elderly is not sound. The elderly in India are not in a well state of position. From the perspective of health, they are the most vulnerable section of the population. Although they are ornamented as the senior citizen in paper, but they are the most neglected citizen in the practical sense. In this context, we have to mention that their physical strength already deteriorates with the time passes, and their mental stability also declines. At this juncture, the transformation of the Indian societal system has eroded their traditional support system of security. Moreover, the changing demographic pattern have added a new dimension, that is the emergence of aging, and it has created a new challenge towards the security of the elderly. So, at this juncture, support and care both at the governmental as well as the non-governmental sphere is the much needed phenomenon. So, this is a brief analysis regarding the health status of the elderly from the Indian perspective. Thank you.